This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. And today we have more Pop Mart fun. In today's video, we are unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the Crying Again series from Crybaby. I know I wasn't gonna get these, and then I'm a dumb bitch completionist, okay, and I can't help it. And the two that I have, which I don't love, and they freak me out, the naked babies. I don't love the naked babies, and I know I'm gonna be getting another one. And fun fact, I have purchased, I think, this blind box twice. Both times I got the crying naked baby, okay, and I didn't love it. And I gave one to my friend Erin, and I'm gonna have another naked baby, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with. So I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to give it to somebody because I cannot have another naked baby in this house. This freaks me out, but I love every other option though, and I'm excited, and I'm a dumb bitch and I'm a completionist. So I picked up this set through StockX because why pay full retail? Why are we doing that? No. So I actually got this, I think, for like $150, and it normally goes for $239. So excited about that. I love that for me. So let me open this up. Look how cute. It's so adorable. I love this. I kind of did the box correctly, not quite. Anyway, there are 12 of these little bubbies in here. This is all the stuff that we could potentially get today. There's also 3 secrets. There is a super secret, and then there are 2 secrets. I mean, listen, I would love a secret if that means I didn't have to get one of the naked babies. Fingers crossed. That would be great, but I don't know. We'll see how that happens. All right. Also, sorry if my nails look a little janky. I was filming a video. I don't know when the you're going to see this, but I was filming a video and Milk Makeup literally took off my nail polish. So I wanted to do something really quick, and it kind of doesn't really match, but whatever. Anyway, if it looks up, it's because of that. Thank you, Milk Makeup, you piece of Okay, so what do I think this is going to be? Good question. I have no idea. Listen, I think they're all so cute. They're all so adorable. I love Duck You. I love that one, and I can't wait to have that. I have like the little plush pendant of it, and I can't wait to actually have the little version of it. But I think, do I feel psychic today? Yesterday, I was doing really good. I was very, very psychic, but let's see if my pulse has transferred over to today. I think this is going to be, I keep looking at the robber. I like that one. I think is probably one of my favorite ones. I feel like this one's the robber. I hope it is. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, but I already have this one, which is fine because I'm giving it to my friend Erin. So this one's called Starboy. So I'm actually gonna just like leave the little stand right there or whatever, but look how cute. It's so teeny. So cute. I love her. She's super adorable, and it's really funny that we got that one out of the way. So we're gonna put that one to the side. This is the little card that you get. Super cute. Let's try box number 2. Ooh, this one feels a little heavy. Wait, hold on. For reference. Okay, it feels a little heavy. Starboy's kind of light. I feel like it's gonna be a naked baby. I feel like it's gonna be one of the goddamn naked babies. I don't want it to be the naked baby, but I feel like it's gonna be the naked baby. It might be baby brown, it might be baby blonde. I don't know. Okay, if it's not one of the naked babies, I think it's gonna be What a Frog. I feel it in my gut. I feel it in my bones. Also, my nail's literally gonna break. What the fuck? Okay, that didn't even open. Bitch! No, I was so not right. I got so excited. It's the one next to it though, which, I mean, come on. She is so cute. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, hold on. Oh, she is so adorable. Let me get her little, tape off her little tears. Oh, that. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, so this one's called I'll Bring You a Flower. Super sweet. I love that. It's so funny. Crybabies, I was like, I'm not into this. Now I'm like, I love you all. You're all so sweet to me. This one's super cute, and there's a little stand. We love her. She's adorable. Okay, so far my psychic abilities, not so good. So, all right, come on. I gotta focus. Theresa, focus here. Focus, focus, focus. I think this one's gonna be, I wanna say this is gonna be Love is Love or Love Make Us Cry. It's gonna be one of those two, but I'm gonna go with Love is Love. Bitch, no! It's Heartless Girl. Oh, she is so cute though. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, my psychic abilities today, not so good. All right, there's a card. Let me get her on our little stand. Oh, I do love their little cum tears. It's disgusting, but it's so cute. Like it's hideous, but I love them though. And little bitches. I love these little ladies. Okay, this feels a little bit heavier. Does that mean anything? I don't know. I want to say this is She's Alice or The Robber. I feel like it's going to be either one of those, but watch it be What a Frog. Final answer, She's Alice. Wait a second. No! Oh my God. Okay. Shut up. Wait, hold on. No. Bitch. Oh, shut the oh my God. Okay. First. This bitch is everything. Oh my God, that is so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't even think it was gonna be her. Yo, I need to go play the lottery. Even though I did not guess remotely right, the fact that I even got a super secret bitch. What are the chances? 1 in 288? Oh my God. I'm literally shitting my pants. This is so cool. Okay, wait. Oh, this bitch. Oh, she is awesome. Fuck me. This is so good. Look at her. No, focus. Oh, Illuminati hands. How cute. Oh, bitch. Oh, you are my queen. So this one's called The Queen of the Broken Hearts. So cute. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay. Okay, listen. Oh, I hope that means I didn't get one of the naked babies because of it. Oh, but then what if I don't get like Duck You? Okay. Okay. Honestly, getting like Duck You would be far more easier than getting the super mother secret bitch. Just saying. Okay, this one feels like a light boy. So I think this one's gonna be Love Make Us Cry. I feel like it's gonna be Love Make Us Cry. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Come on, bitch! I don't like, just makes me uncomfortable. Like, she makes me uncomfortable. Just, no, man, no, just, I don't like it. That's the card. I'll just put that over there. And that honestly, that kind of bums me out now. That means I'm gonna have another naked baby up in this bitch. I'm tired of getting naked babies. I don't want them. All right, let's try this box. Okay, you know what? This feels just as light as the other box. I feel like this is gonna be the baby brown. Okay, if it's not baby brown, it is Love is Love. It's one of those. I hope it's Love is Love. I don't want any more naked babies. Oh yeah, oh, she's so cute. Oh, she has a little chain. Oh, little bitch, you're so cute. Oh, The Robber, exceeding my expectations. If I didn't pull that super secret, this would be my number 1. Sorry, bud, but I think you're gonna be number 2. Oh, she is so cute. She kind of also looks like the Hamburglar. And I kind of love that even more. Oh, look at her. She's so sweet. You love her. Okay. All right. Not bad. I think we went through 6 of them already, right? Yes, we did. Oh, the fucking naked baby. Okay, so who do we have missing? We have Baby Brown, Love is Love, She's Alice, Love Make Us Cry, I'll Give You All My Love, What the Frog, and Duck You. Those are the ones that are missing. I think this one's gonna be I'll Give You All My Love. If it's not that, it's gonna be Love Make Us Cry. One or the other. Oh, I love this one. Oh, she's so cute. It's called Duck You. Look at her. She's like, go f yourself. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I'm so happy that I got her. I would have been kind of devastated if I would have had multiple naked babies and not her. So hold on, let me just put her little stand together. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she is so cute. I can't. And she is like flocked, so she's a little fuzzy furry belly that went in my mouth a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. We love that. All right, so we have 5 more boxes left. Okay. This one feels like a heavy bitch. Because it's a heavy bitch, I'm gonna say that this one is gonna be I'll Give You All My Love. I feel like she's gonna be heavy, or She's Alice. One of those two. Let's see if I'm remotely right. No, bitch! Oh, no, not even close. What a frog. Okay. Oh, I was like, wait, is that what? Yep, that's what it's called. What a frog. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, let me put her little stand on. Get her little tape off of her little cum tears. Thank you. Remotely close. Can we get any of these on? Thank you. Oh, she's so cute. She's also flocked as well. Oh, these are so good. Oh, they're so good. Here's a little card. We love that. 4 boxes. Who am I missing? Who the fuck am I missing? I'm missing Baby Brown, which listen, I'm not gonna be upset if we don't get her because one naked baby's enough. We don't need any more. Baby Brown, Love is Love. She's Alice. Love Make Us Cry. And I'll Give You All My Love. All right, so I feel like it's gonna be this is gonna be Baby Brown. Oh, no, good. Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh, thank God. Okay. Alice. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, I love her. Oh, she's so adorable. Hold on. Let me get her little. Ooh. Oh, she has a little necklace. Bitch got a necklace? When did you get a necklace, bitch? Here's the card. She's Alice, but you get like a tiny necklace. Oh, that's fun. Okay, hold on. Can we put this around her big ass head? Oh, wait. We could probably put it around her body. Probably that way, right? Give me a second here. Hold on. Okay, so you know what? This is so, I can't even. My finger would be too fat. Okay. We're gonna figure it out though. We're gonna figure it out. But bitch got a key. We love that. She's super cute. And I'm gonna figure out how to put that key around her. But like my fingers, they're too fat right now. No, I have 3 left. This one feels the heaviest, so I'm gonna say that this one is going to be I'll Give You All My Love. She just looks like she's gonna be top heavy with those bunny ears. So far we're missing that one, Love Make Us Cry, I'll Give You My Love, and Baby Brown. I think this one's going to be I'll Give You All My Love. I knew it. It just felt like she was gonna be top heavy. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, normally I don't like bunnies, but like she's really cute. There's her little stand. She's adorable. We love that. And then of course, here's the card. That one's really, really cute. 2 boxes left. I really want Love is Love, and I really want Love Make Us Cry. I don't need another naked baby. I think this one is gonna be the naked baby. If not the naked baby, it's Love is Love. Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh, she's so good. I actually have a little plush pendant of her that I am very excited to wear during Pride Month because I think that's adorable. So I'm excited. Oh my God. She is so cute. And I love the feeling of her. She feels a little bit different from the other ones. It kind of has like a nice, I don't know, like a soft kind of like soft matte texture. It's very, very, very nice feeling. So we love that. Love is love, bitch. Okay, this one has to be Love Make Us Cry. This one has to be. If not, it's Baby Brown. But I'm gonna say it's Love Make Us Cry. No, I got a naked baby. No, I just, oh. Okay, here we go. Here's a card, here's a card, and then here's the baby. Hold on, she has a hat. I gotta put her hat on. Wait a second. Wait, is that not a hat? No. Oh yeah, that's a hat. Okay. Oh God, all right. It just pains me. Okay, like I'm just gonna, I feel like I have to censor her. Oh, I hate this. Like her face is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna put a Post-it note on her. I'm gonna put a Post-it note on her. I hate that. Oh, I'm so sad that I didn't get, okay. So there's that. I'm sad that I did not get Love Make Us Cry. So you know what? I'm gonna go hunting for that one. And then hold on, what were the super secret ones? I don't even know. Oh, please, let me look. I'm sorry. What is the secret ones? Because I already have the super secret one. Oh, fuck. Okay. All right. First of all, very excited that I got the Queen of Broken Heart because that one's adorable. The Robber in the red version, that would have been really cute. Or She's Alice Halloween version would have been awesome as well. But I'm okay not getting those two because I kind of have a variant of them, right? Like the original variant, so that's fine. I need that Love Make Us Cry because one of the first crybaby things I got was actually from my friend Erin, and it was of the little plush pendant of that specific one. And I always think that she's so cute. So I kind of need to get that one again. So let's rank these little bitches because that's honestly one of my favorite things to do on this channel. This is going to be actually for 12, just both 12, honestly. No, here, she's number 12 God, she's number 12, the baby blonde. She's number 11. The only reason why she's a little bit higher is because she has a jaunty hat. If she didn't have a jaunty hat on, she would also be tied in number 12. But because she has a fun accessory, she will be number 11. But I don't love the naked babies. They freak me out. They scare me. I don't love that. Okay, bye. Number 10. You know what? Number 10. I think she's cute. I like that she's flocked, but for Bunny, yes, she's adorable, but bunnies are not my favorite thing. So I'm just going to say that she's number 10, but she's cute. She's kind of giving like Playboy, like a little innocent Playboy bunny kind of thing. And I dig it, but not my favorite thing. So she's number 10. Then I would say this one is number 9. The pink one, which one was the pink one called? Heartless Girl. She's really cute, and I kind of love the little things in her belly. I think that's really fun. But I actually think I like the blue one a little bit more. So I would say that one is number 9. Number 8 would be Starboy. This one is super cute. Again, it's very similar to the pink one, except it's blue. I actually prefer the blue coloring more. I like the ombre effect of this one. So that would be number 8. This is where it gets difficult though. I would say number 7. I guess the bee. I'll Bring You a Flower. I think she's really cute, but I think the other ones are cuter. So I would say she's number 7. Then I guess it would be the frog, number 6. This is What a Frog. This one's super cute too. I really do like the little flocked kind of outfit. That's really fun. But I think there are other things in this collection that are a little bit cuter in my opinion. So then I would say for number 5, I guess it would be Alice. Alice is super cute. One of my favorite things that I picked up from Crybaby is the little card holder. It's Alice. And I can't remember if I got that during the Black Friday mystery box. I don't remember, but I love taking that with me to Epcot, especially the last Food and Wine Festival. It was just really, one, convenient to have on my wrist, and then I could put the little gift card thing outward so it could like scan easily. It's kind of, I know, it's stupid, but like I love the little Alice one. I think she's really cute. So this kind of feels a little like more sentimental to me. I think it's adorable, but I think there are other things in this collection that are really cute. But I'm glad that I got the original one. The Halloween one is really cute, but I kind of like that I got the original one. That makes me happy. Then I would say Love is Love, right? Love is Love. She's so cute. And I do love how different she feels. She definitely has, again, that soft matte texture that I wish some of the other Crybabies would have. It reminds me of like Smoko figurines. Smoko figurines have that like soft matte texture that is super cute. So we love that. Then I would say Duck You. I think Duck You is so cute. It's very close to my favorite curse word, fuck. So it just makes me feel happy. So then I would say this little lady. But then number 2, she would have been number 1. Had we not got the super secret one, she'd be number 1, but she's gonna be number 2. I love her. I think she's so cute. I love that she has like a little chain on her. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I want to kind of put it on her little hand. But bitch is free. She's free. I love her. She's so cute. And then we have this little lady. Oh, this one is so good. Honestly, out of all the secret ones, I think she is the coolest one. Plus she's also the super secret one, so I feel extra special. But she's so cute. Look at her. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love her. You are my favorite. You are my queen. Okay. I really like the series and I'm so happy that I didn't pay full price for it. I think if I would have paid full price for it, I would have been okay with it. No, I wouldn't have been, especially with the naked babies. I'm also kind of glad that I haven't seen too many more naked babies. I think this is the only series that really has the naked babies, other than like the plush pendant version of them. I don't know. I just don't like it. I just don't think it's really cute. It freaks me out. But it's all good. It's fine. It's fine. Because I don't have to worry about it anymore. The last naked baby I'm getting. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these little babies. And if you love them, if you hate them, which one is your favorite? Do you have the super secret? Am I the only one that's super special? Maybe, I don't know. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.